2D. I'll explain how to get into a 3D. What tools I used. I'm not going to show it to you because it's pretty simple. What you need is basically you gotta use this as your bottom. It's gonna be your side view. So this is my side. This piece and this piece is actually this piece and this piece. And of course this little piece over here. I don't have this line right here though. That's for my own reference. I added 2 more lines, a little bit shorter at this height, whatever this height is, from both sides of the corner to hit to this corner and this corner. So they're angled, you can see it. Then I did that. Then this is the same one. So I did a little modifications. I pulled it in over here and over here from the top. So if I went to the top, actually it's the exact same thing. Alright. And then the third one, I actually extended the box because if you do a loft and you take the paths, well, here's how it goes. If I use this one and use a path, this is what I get. If I use this, I use the guides, I would get this. And if I made the bigger box and I use the guide, I would get this, which is what I need. So I end up with something like this after all said and done. I chamfered it. Yeah, that's what I did. Chamfered it to get this, and I used this piece, which is the same as here. I changed the back view a little bit. You guys can change it too if you want. I get something like this. Next thing I did was I used a surface, and I did a half arc. I cut it through, and I did another surface from the top. I cut it through, and I got myself this neat little mouse pad without the scroller. That scroller, I can, if I want, I can go to, I think Taurus would be the easiest way to do this, but I do have to change my view for that, which would be probably front view. Oops. So I go to draw modeling curves, and yeah, I know it's kind of weird sized, but it's just a sample of what you can do. There you go. And I did it in less than 15 seconds. But yeah, but this is what happens if you use your path. This is what happens when you get a guide, and this is what happens if you extend your base points, lofting objects, and do a guide. But to get it flat, to match the original, I did a slice from the side and sliced it to the same shape. So I'm going to help around with those who need help designing this. For those who don't, go ahead, make it weird as you want. You got the specs, the nominal size of an actual mouse pad. So feel free to design your own. Actually, I recommend designing your own. Well, you have to design your own. So go ahead and do that, and I'll walk around. Who needs help, raise your